Have you ever bought Ethereum? Do you like Ethereum? Do you like altcoins? Because Ethereum has just done something for the first time in 6 years, and it could be a huge clue for what is going to happen next for altcoins, your favorite altcoin. I want to share with you this chart right here, and for the first time in 6 years, Ethereum has broken this trend line. And in this video, I'm going to explain what I think is about to happen to Ethereum and all of your favorite altcoins. Let's get into it. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. So here we are. We are in Ethereum, US dollar, 4-month Coinbase chart, and we have this trend line in white. This trend line in white connects the candles from January 2020 as support, followed by the May 2020 as support, followed by touch points in May 2022 with this huge wick down to this trend line and another support zone of September 2022. Now, what you'll notice in this chart is that we started this trend line back in 2020. We rallied significantly all the way up to almost $5,000, only to plummet all the way back down from where we started from, having huge wicks showing the bottom of this market back in 2022, only to absolutely skyrocket once again to around the same price, only to crash back down to where we are today. But it's not just that. We actually rallied up to a double top. And what you'll notice in a lot of altcoin charts is they did something similar, where the rally of our past market cycle top in your favorite altcoins could be around the prior market cycle top of another previous rally. In other words, we just had a double top. Not only did we have a double top in Ethereum, we had a double top, which, by the way, is a trend reversal. Anytime you have one top and then years later another top happen around the same price points, you can see these wicks here are a whole bunch of profit taking. These wicks here, a whole bunch of profit taking. In other words, when you see wicks on the upside, it means you have pressure downward, because that momentum of selling is like a rock tumbling down a mountain. It just collects steam. And that's what you saw in that 5,000-ish price range. In other words, the double top pushed us down so much that we just broke this trend line for the first time in 6 years. This is not good in any way, shape, or form. And it means something very particular to Ethereum. And the rest of the altcoin market will be affected. Ethereum leads the charge for altcoins, and whatever Ethereum does will send shockwaves, and it'll be this chain reaction to the rest of the altcoin market. Take a look more closely. So as we started that journey in 2022 at the bottom of that market, creating this trend line, having an absolute domination in price, rallying into that 5,000 area, what we did before then is we rallied up until roughly 4,000. And from 4,000, we came back down to that trend line. We needed to confirm support from that trend line, and we weren't ready to get into the 5,000 area. Notice how these are channels. These are what I like to call channels. You see this yellow line that we have on our chart? That's that top channel. That's where we saw our double top. The channel between then is where we went from our bottom. We rallied into this area. We realized Ethereum did not have enough momentum to get into the 5,000 area. We realized we needed to take a breath. We realized we needed to pull back. And luckily for Ethereum, it held support at exactly that same area that it did years earlier. And back here in January 2025, that's when things got very interesting. We had a long wick to the lower side, which means one thing and one thing only. We have buying pressure coming in. We have momentum to the upside. And that protection of this trend line led us into that $5,000 area. only to be met with that double top and only to be absolutely plummet back down to this support zone. And this was Ethereum's biggest test of years and years and years, was the candle from at the beginning of this year, the first 4 months of this year to be exact. And what you can see is an absolute protection. We were trying like hell to protect this area, and we wanted to have a rebound the other way. We did so much as to create this huge lower wick, which told us that there was a lot of buying in that area. We were trying to protect. I have to say, for the record, Ethereum is one of my favorite altcoins. I love the crypto markets. I've been studying the crypto markets and covering the crypto markets for almost 10 years here on YouTube. And what you see happening before your eyes, it's sad for Ethereum. It has held this trend line for 6 years. It tried like hell, and we are in the candle that could break the camel's back right now, and especially the next candle after that will tell us everything that we need to know. And it happens right with this trend line, okay? So right now we're in this limbo area of how is this thing going to close, what's going to happen, but we do know that there are channels, okay? There's a channel from roughly 2,200 to roughly 1,400. That's a very specific channel. And the channel below that goes from 1,400 and it stops around here roughly at 870. Okay, that's that bottom channel here where you pick up some of this area from 2017 Ethereum, where this was our resistance and eventually our support in 2022. That's where it leaves the altcoin market. What you'll notice is I want you to take a look at some of the OG altcoins. And some of the OG altcoins, you're going to notice a reoccurring pattern of double tops or something very, very similar to that. And what you'll notice is that we may be in this period of change for altcoins. Altcoins saw their glory days, especially in 2017. And since then, it's been a bit of a struggle. And I think this is breaking the camel's back. I think this is the point at which altcoins take a reset. They start to shift. And a lot of the altcoins are going to find their true identity with this. Do I think Ethereum is dead? No. Do I think Ethereum is going to struggle a little bit? Yes. Do I think altcoins will also struggle a little bit, especially if you watch this video in 2028? You're probably asking yourself, where's that altcoin rally? Why isn't it as big? When are they going to explode? And everyone will tell you to wait until 2029. Then 2029 comes and 2029 ends. And you're like, wait a minute, we didn't have an altcoin rally yet. Where's the altcoin season? We didn't have one. I think that's going to be what's taking form in 2029 into 2030. And by 2030, everybody's going to sit there and say, you know what? Why in hell wasn't there an altcoin rally? It's got to be coming. Like it's going to come this year. No, the market's going to start going down in 2030. And reality will set in 2031. When you're sitting there, if you're watching this video in 2031, you're like, damn, maybe Steve was onto something. Maybe altcoins will never be the same again. But they will go through a period. They will regain their power, just like Bitcoin, and it will come again. But more on those videos later. I just want to let you know, based on facts, that altcoins just changed, and they may have changed forever. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.